the herding dog. Go herd him.
All right. We got some strange goings on in preparation for going new places. Over here with these two doggies, we got Blizzard and we got Henry. And they have had established some kind of, I don't know what kind of relationship this is, but some kind of relationship.
I had to get them when they were hugging. They were so
Yeah. They're good friends. And they're getting along just fine. There's no danger here.
Get him. There you go. Hold on tight.
This is like this is the kind of thing that our country has been built on. I can't even talk. That's what happens from staying up night and watching television.
Oh God.
Well, actually, you know what? They're friends. They're really good friends. This is like some kind of dance. It's like the hokey pokey. You know, you put your left foot in, your left foot out. Look at them. They're all waggy tailed.